Welcome to JH. You've likely noticed Alpha Infused appearing on your Instagram or TikTok feeds lately. This hair restoration system features a sophisticated gold microneedle applicator that gives it a high-tech appearance. The kit combines a specialized serum with a microneedling tool. The formula contains natural components such as ginseng, peppermint oil, ginger extract, and Eclipta prostrata, all housed in a stylish applicator designed to enhance skin absorption through tiny gold needles. The company makes ambitious claims, suggesting you'll see new hair growth within a week and complete restoration in just a few months. They assert the product is clinically validated and offers 300% better absorption than competitors. However, there is no concrete clinical data supporting these statements. No peer-reviewed studies or neutral evaluations exist to back up claims of 300% absorption or the ability to reverse all hair loss types. Experts point out that these assertions don't align with standard hair biology. Regarding the microneedles, they measure only 0.25 millimeters. This depth is quite minimal, as dermatologists typically suggest using needles at least 1 millimeter long to effectively reach the hair follicles. Such procedures are also best performed under professional supervision. The brand's marketing tactics are also questionable. Some expert endorsements appear to use stock photography, and while they mention publications like GQ and Men's Health, those magazines haven't actually reviewed the item. While the official website features glowing testimonials, platforms like Reddit tell a different story, with many users reporting little to no progress. There are also concerns that before and after images might be recycled from other sources. Ultimately, despite its sleek design and social media hype, it's vital to remain grounded. There is very little scientific backing for this product, and the tool may be too shallow to be effective. If you are experiencing hair loss, consulting a licensed dermatologist is your best bet. Proven medical treatments are available that are more likely to address your specific needs effectively.